researcher and building your career can be quite a daunting task. And today, I am going to tell you more about two amazing new platforms called Thuso Resources and Thuso Connect that have been developed. Thuso Resources has articles, advice, and flagship programs from all universities in South Africa. So stay tuned so I can tell you more. My name is Dr. Uleboheng Silivi, and I am passionate about empowering early career researchers and scholars. The first platform is Thuso Resources. Let's check it out. There is more than one way to navigate the platform. Choose one that works for you. First, on the homepage, you can go in through the top navigation bar. Secondly, the quick access icons of the categories. There's also a third option. You can use a research function if you know what you are interested in. If you don't know, that's okay. The resources group can perhaps help. Once you enter a category, the keywords may spark some interest or give you a topic that you want to explore from more than one angle. Firstly, take the pressure to publish, for instance. The keyword gives you 3 articles to explore. Another keyword, supervising research, has 4 articles at the moment. These will grow as contributions are made. Do you have any feedback for us? We'd love to hear from you. Go to Contact on the top navigation. The feedback option is included. As the saying goes, you don't know what you don't know. Thuso Resources can help you find your way. Sign up today, it's free. Follow us on social media at Thuso Resources and Thuso Connect. Our second platform, Thuso Connect, is a national online mentoring platform for South African researchers. We developed Thuso Connect to allow early career researchers and scholars in South Africa to participate in a nationwide interactive online mentorship program. Early career academics seeking guidance and wanting to make progress in their careers can register and search for a suitable mentor to advise them. We invite established, experienced academics and researchers to register as mentors and share their wisdom and guidance. The Thuso Connect platform provides an effective, ethical way to introduce mentors and mentees and to assist and guide them in establishing a successful mentoring partnership. Upon registering, Thuso Connect will ask the mentor and mentee to share professional information, thus setting up a profile for the matching process. We have a tried and tested expert matching algorithm that connects mentors and mentees with the highest percentage potential for success when partnered. From there, workflows and resources guide the mentoring journey. Thuso Connect, helping academics to connect.